Well, hello from Starla Seasonings, Dips, and Mixes. I'm Starla Basco, and today I'm here with my granddaughter, Blakelyn. Tell us what we're making today, Blakelyn.
We're making sweet or savory Chex Mix.
Ooh. I know you have some super favorites. So what flavor are we going to do the Chex Mix today?
We're going to do Caramel Pumpkin since it's my favorite, but you can use your favorite or whatever ones you want. You can use any of these.
So with the sweet ones, you could also use the cinnamon apple spice,
the strawberry,
the key lime, or your favorite.
Yeah.
So what are you mixing your caramel pumpkin into today? What do you have?
Butter.
You got 1 stick of butter? All right, so she's going to add 1 package of her favorite caramel pumpkin into the 1 stick of butter.
That just sounds weird, actually.
So just melt your butter. Go do the whole thing, yeah. So melt your butter, and then add your favorite Starla seasonings to it. That's all right. And then give it a mix. Move that over, yep. Wonderful. So then really only the difference between the sweet and the savory is going to be the ingredients that you have. And the ingredients are only as limited as your imagination is. And then I also like to kick the savory up with a little bit of the Worcestershire sauce. Probably, yeah, the hardest word in the world to say is Worcestershire, and I'm not even sure if I said that correctly. Okay, so you're doing savory today. That's perfect.
I'm doing sweet.
Right, well, no, you're doing sweet today. That's correct. Yeah. So what are you adding into your Chex Mix today? I know you...
I'm adding a little bit of savory. Can I put it in the Chex Mix?
Oh, maybe add your ingredients first.
Okay. Oh, there's hair. Always to make sure to get your hair wrapped.
Oh, I don't know how that happened. Okay, let's get to it.
Okay, so I have a little bit of savory. It's going to be some pretzels.
So the pretzels are good on a sweet or a savory mix. So you got about 1 cup of pretzels. You could add more or less.
Yeah. Then I have some cranberries.
Yep, you've got a couple craisins there. Beautiful. And then we'll wait for the M&Ms to add those last.
Yeah.
And then you've got about 1 cup of mini marshmallows.
You can use flavored or not flavored, whatever you want.
And then she's going to pour her... Nope, let's do that next. Put that in over the top. That's okay.
Chunky.
Okay. And she's going to pour that all over her mixture.
Looks like applesauce a little.
It does look like applesauce.
Very weird flavor of it.
Okay.
Oh.
And then...
Make sure to not get it on your hands.
Well, and if you do, you got a napkin. All right, then she's going to give that a stir.
Stir it.
You could use different M&Ms. You've got some kind of crazy M&Ms today.
I got caramel and peanut butter.
Caramel and peanut butter. You could use your regular M&Ms or your peanut M&Ms. And we did that in the great big Tupperware bowl that pretty much every American owns. So she's got that stirred pretty good. She doesn't have one. Well, maybe we'll get her one for Christmas. All right, that looks good. So we're going to microwave that on high, and we're going to stir it about every 2 minutes until it's kind of browned. So
M&Ms.
We're going to add the M&Ms after we get it out of the microwave, otherwise they might become a mess.
Yeah.
So that's kind of how we made our sweet or savory Chex Mix. And then when it's all done, you can store it in an airtight container, but let it cool a little bit first.
Yeah, it's going to be hot, very hot.
So
or go put it in the snow. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Don't put it in the snow.
So we're wishing you a wonderful day today, and make sure you watch for more of our videos this week.
Bye!
Oops.